Now here you have to create its backend API endpoint register. Copy this. Okay, we've already here. So in these files, here import the next response from Next.js. It is used to send the JSON response from the API routes. Import next response from next server, and here import bcrypt. Bcrypt from bcrypt. Then import this is here, import db connect from // it is a utils / db connect. Okay, I think we don't have this folders files. Copy this. Here make sure it's inside myf. Create a new folder utils, then inside a file db connect. This is, then inside it later on we will implement in the logic. So first let me, here what you have to do, here import user models, import user from /model, then /user. Later on also we will create in this user models, and then here handle post request, run when frontend send a post request to this API routes. Here export async functions. Okay, not like that. Post, then inside it we have the request. Okay, try and catch block. So this is here. Okay, first of all you have to connect within database, db connect here, and then tells the const body is equal to await. This is Next.js, and then exit data from the request body using the destructurings const, and here it is equal to body, and what you got from the body, all this here, that we have sent in the bodies. So here you have to destructure all that. Okay, so this is bodies. Now we have email, password, full name, username, then birth address, and then now you have to validate. If not email, or if not password, here if not full names, or not username, here. Okay, not birthdays. Okay, why we got this here? Inside return your response if any field is missing. Return next response dot JSON. Here, right? All fields for it is required, and then here it is status code, that is 400. So this is a validation part, and then check if email already exists in the database or not. Const it is existing email. It is equal to wait user. It is user dot find one method, and then inside database of email you have to find, okay, then you plug in validate here. If existing email, then you have to return the next response dot JSON. It is a here, and then email already exists. Email already exists, okay, and then status 409. So this is your existing email. Okay, so similarly also same thing for the username. Copy that, paste it, then here existing username. Strings username, then similarly put that here, and then username, okay, then email here. It is a username already exists, got it. After that here you have to hash your password and save in the database. So const hashed password, it is equal to wait, then bcrypt library, okay, bcrypt dot has it is password, and then 10, okay, then create new document in the MongoDB. Const user it is equal to await, then user dot create, and then inside here email, then password as password, and then it is full name, and then username, birthdays, got it, and then send response back to the client. Here it is return next response dot JSON, and then here msg user registered successfully. Then user, okay, and then status 2, okay, then here this is the return next response dot JSON, it is here dot message, then server and then status 500, got it. Okay, now in the next lecture we will create this here database connection function and user model, got it. So thanks for watching, I will see you in the next one.